For the X or cross stitch, I have this chunky cotton yarn and my 5mm hook. Let's get into it. I start with the slip knot, insert the hook, yarn over and pull out the loop. Then this is our first chain, second chain, third chain, fourth chain. I'm going to make about 10 chains for this tutorial, but you can make as many chains as you want. There are no multiples in this tutorial, and here we have 10 chains. So we start from the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, and insert the hook. Instead of yarning over, we yarn under, meaning the yarn is under, and pull up a loop, and then we yarn over. That's our first stitch. Again, insert the hook, yarn under the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So we're going to be doing this in all the chains right up to the end. So remember, it's yarn under, then yarn over. That's the pattern for this X or cross stitch. We're almost at the end here. Insert into the last one, yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. There, we have something like this now. Chain 1 is our turning chain, and 10. Skip the turning chain and insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn under, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn under, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn under, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So we continue with this pattern like this. It's an easy pattern. Insert the hook, yarn under, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook, yarn under, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. Then into the last one, we insert the yarn under and pull through 2 loops. Again, we chain 1 and 10. So this is going to be our pattern. We'll be repeating this pattern right up to the end of the project. And I've added a few more rows, and now I have this. The pattern is like this. So it's a 1 row repeat pattern. Thank you very much.